In this video, I will be showing you a website that will pay you for other people's videos. So, in order to make money with this, you don't need any camera. You don't need any special skills or experience because all you literally need to do is sign up and click the download button. The best thing is that this has nothing to do with YouTube, so you don't need any subscribers or whatsoever. It's super easy, but you must follow all the steps if you want to make it work, because there's a lot of people that know about these platforms, but they make common mistakes. So, if you want to make this work for you, then stick with me until the end of the video.
This is Hustleaholic, and welcome to the channel, where we will show you how to make money online. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Now, let's get into the video.
The first step is to come over to a website called plrminds.com. PLR, which stands for Private Label Rights, and you will see exactly how downloading these videos will make you money. No, I'm not going to tell you to sell them or whatsoever. This strategy has nothing to do with selling, nothing to do with affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, or anything like that. It's super easy and anyone can do this. The second step, once you come over to plrminds.com, is to scroll down a little bit and click on this Join Now button. Click on that green button and it will take you over to the register page where you will need to sign up to this website. So, they do have a gold membership, but you don't need that. You just need the free one. Click on the free option right here. Then, your third step will be filling up this form of this platform by entering your email address and retyping the same email address, which you can just copy and paste right here, and then just click I'm not a robot and click send verification email. Open up your email and you will see an email from PLR Minds. Click on this link right here to activate your account. Click on that and that will take you over to this page where you will finish your registration. You will need to create a username or something unique for your account. For instance, I will input Investor Plus, then create a password, click I'm not a robot, and just click register. After you do that, I want you to hover your mouse here where it says freebies. Click on that and that's going to show you that you can download hundreds of different products, digital products from this website, and you can do whatever you want with them because private label rights gives you a license to resell those products. It gives you full rights to change them, give them out free, or do whatever you want with them, and that's really nice. So you can download loads of different ebooks and loads of different products and software from this website for free, and plus you will get a license to do whatever you want with those products. The next step is to scroll down a little bit and you want to find this free videos section right here. And before we continue, make sure you have followed all of the previous steps. So, if you haven't already, go back and follow and finish all the steps that I've just demonstrated, because most likely you will get confused and lost and this will not work for you. Anyways, as you can see, these are all the videos that we can download free from this website, and when we download them, we actually get a free license to resell them or give them away on other websites. There's one more platform which I want to share with you that will actually pay you for downloading these videos from this website. For example, download these video training programs which are about making money online training. I'm going to click Get It Now right here. That will take me over to the next page where I can read more about the video I'm downloading. If you don't want to read it, you can just scroll down a little bit and here you can see Digi Results Affiliate Explosion. That's how the video is called. and I will click the download button right here, and that will immediately download the video to my computer.
Before we get going with this video, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give it a like, and leave a comment down below.
Now, I just want you to go over to the website that will pay you for those videos. And as you can see, these are all real people, real time, making a real money on this website and being paid for uploading different videos. So, this platform will actually pay you for those videos which you download. As you can see, there are over 60,000 pages of different people making money from this website. There's definitely a lot of money to be made here. Now, this website named fileupload.com. That's your next step. Go over to this website. As you can see, this is free cloud storage for your data. So, not only can you store your data for free on this website, but they will also pay you for uploading files on their platform. Because once someone downloads your files, they will be shown some ads, and fileupload.com is just splitting the ad revenue with you. So that's how it works, and that's how both you and FileUpload are making money, in case you were wondering. But that's not really important. What you want to do is, you want to click here, it says, start uploading files now. Then you want to click on this icon right here to open up a folder. Find the video which you previously downloaded from the first website that we talked about. Double click on the video so we can upload it. Then you can write a brief description if you want to, and click start upload, and it will start uploading the video to this website. Now, this is uploading. Let me show you something. If I click on make money right here, it's going to show me that we can get paid up to $7 per 1,000 downloads of our profile. So, we can upload a video for free, and since it's a useful video, it's an actual training from this website. A lot of people will be interested in downloading it. As you can see, this is our download link. Whenever someone uses this link to download this video, we will be paid because fileupload.com is splitting the ad revenue with us. Now, if you come over to their homepage, you're going to be able to see that they accept different payment options, so we can withdraw our money either via Bitcoin, PayPal, Visa, Perfect Money, Web Money, and Litecoin. So there's no shortage of ways to withdraw your money from this platform. Now, if you want to maximize your results and earn more money, what I recommend you to do is grab your download link for that video, go over to different platforms, and share it with different people for them to download it as well. You can even share it with your friends and family and tell them that they can download it for free, and it will benefit you a lot. You can also share it in different Facebook groups, on Twitter, on Instagram, on YouTube. Share it with a bunch of people. It will actually provide value because the videos which you downloaded from plrminds.com are actually valuable videos which people can benefit from. So why not? It's absolutely free for them. It's absolutely free for you. It's a win-win situation, and you can definitely make quite a bit of money with this website called fileupload.com.
That's it for now. I hope you find this video useful and entertaining. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Stay safe. This is Hustleholic, and I'll see you in the next videos.